We are located in Cyprus right now. This is our first time in Cyprus and we like it really much. It's a really nice weather and climate here, but it's pretty hot at daytime, especially in August.
We were invited here by NGO Auto Service to tune 5 Subarus for local customers, where 2 out of them are race only and 3 daily driven ones. We had conversation with Marius from NGO Auto Service for almost a year about my visit to his shop. Shop is oriented mainly on Subarus, but they serve all other platforms as well, starting from regular maintenance ending with assembly race car only applications. Good news for Cyprians. From now on, Marius customers can get GEP ECU tuning service remotely or in person whenever there will be enough demand and an invitation to travel. Before I proceed with ECU tuning, you need to do regular maintenance such as spark plugs, oil change, fuel and air filters. Car should be leak-free on intake and exhaust system. For turbocharged cars, boost leak test is a must, otherwise we will just waste time and customers' money. Wideband O2 kit on the car is a must to have as well. Tailpipe is a must to have if you are a shop or a group of people using shared wideband kit for easy and fast installation on the different cars. Once all of this is prepared and ready, we can proceed with the tune. Vehicles can be tuned on a dyno or on the road. In this particular case, we road tuned each car, tested them in different conditions to make sure drivability is smooth and car gives best performance in safety range.
Now we came to another shop that have a few Subarus also built and we're waiting for us to come to tune. But the thing is that the cars are not ready yet. We will just start them up on a link ECU and on a standard ECU. So the shop will break in the engine and prepare for the final power tune for our next arrival. This is a GC8 Subaru rally car built for Group N competition. And the interesting thing about this car is that it has an automatic transmission, and this is built for the person who has only one arm.
Rally GC8 Subaru started pretty easy, so we left it and moved to other place to work on the next beauty. It is daily used GC8 with engine from newer generation STI. We did our custom road tune on it, set up dual maps and launch control on a factory ECU. With our custom tune, your Subaru can have switchable dual maps, low and high boost, or low octane and high octane maps, 2-step launch control, anti-lag, and that all on a factory standard ECU.
I only can say that George was more than 100% good. Thank thank him. And we already booked our next appointment. It's going to be in November. Thank you.